Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over some deals at Dollar General that are good from $9.29 to $10.05. And as a friendly reminder, make sure you're scanning the products that you're buying on your app just to make sure your coupons are going to attach. Also, you're going to want to make sure you clip that 5 off of 25 for Saturday, October 5th. For this first deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Febreze plug scented oil refills for $5 a piece. And we got a digital coupon for save $5 on 2 of the Febreze oil refill products. So your final cost will be 2 for $5, which is great because we just got all those free Febreze plugs. Next is the Febreze Small Space Air Freshener, and those are $3 a piece. We got a digital coupon for save $2 on 1 Febreze Small Space product and making your final cost just $1. Now, some people are saying that coupon is not attaching or they're having a hard time with it. So again, make sure you're scanning. I got 2 of the same coupon on my account. These Swiffer Sweeper mopping cloths are $4.50 for the 12 count. We got a save $2 on 1 Swiffer refill or wet jet solution, making your final cost just $2.50. The Swiffer Duster Starter Kit, the 5 dusters and the handle are $4.50. We got a digital coupon for save $2 on 1 Swiffer Starter Kit, leaving your final cost just $2.50. I just want to point out in the Procter & Gamble that we got today, we have all those digital coupons as paper. Now, we also got a digital coupon for save $5 off any Gain scented purchases of $20 or more. So you want to pick up 2 of the Febreze plug oil refills that are Gain scented for $5 a piece. 2 of the Febreze Small Spaces Air Freshener Gain scented for $3 a piece. 1 of the Swiffer Duster Starter Kits, and that is also, you want to get the Gain scented for $4.50. All right, so let's go over the coupons that you will need to do this deal. So you want that save $5 when you spend $20 on Gain, the save $5 on the 2 Febreze plug scented oil refills, the save $2 on 1 Febreze Small Space, and you want 2 of them, and all my accounts had 2 of those digitals. If it's not attaching when you scan it on the app, use 2 from the Procter & Gamble. These save $2 on the 1 Swiffer Starter Kit, and save 2 when you spend $12 on Febreze Air Fresheners, which is a Dollar General store coupon that you may still have from a few weeks ago. So your total is going to be $20.50. You have $18 in coupons, leaving your total before tax $2.50. For this next deal, you want to pick up the 52-ounce Ajax or the 52-ounce Palmolive for $3 each. We have a save $2 on any Ajax or Palmolive 52-ounce or larger, leaving your final cost at just $1. For this deal, you want to pick up the Always Discreet Incontinence Liners 26 count for $3. And in that October Procter & Gamble, we have a save $2 off any 1 Always Discreet Incontinence Liner, leaving your final cost at just $1. Next, you want to pick up 2 Airwick Scented Oil Refills 2-pack for $2.50 each. We have a buy 1 get 1 free on any 1 Airwick Scented Oil Refill, leaving your final cost at just $2.50. The Nivea Oil Infused Vanilla Lotion 13.5 ounce is $4.15, and we have a digital coupon for save $2 off the Nivea Lotion, leaving your final cost at just $2.15. These Sparkle Paper Towels 6 family rolls are $5. We got a digital coupon for save $1 off any 1 package of Sparkle 6 family roll, leaving your final cost at just $4. Here's one coupon I just wanted to point out because we don't get clothing coupons often. It's $2 off 1 Hanes fleece top or bottom. The Centrum Adult Multivitamin 60 count are $5 a piece. In the $9.29 Retail Me Not, we got save $4 on 1 Centrum or Centrum Silver 50 count or larger, making your final cost just $1. These Centrum Multi Gummies Adult Cherry Berry Orange Flavor 70 count are $4.20. And in the $9.29 Retail Me Not, we have a save $3 on the Centrum Multi Gummies 50 count or larger, leaving your final cost at just $1.20. And most likely you will find these vitamins in your clearance section. The Robitussin Adult Maximum Strength Cough and Chest Congestion Pills are $3.50. And in the $9.29 Retail Me Not, we have saved $2 on any one adult Robitussin product, leaving your final cost at just $1.50. The Thermacare Pain Relief Cream 2.5 ounce is $6. And in the $9.29 Retail Me Not, we got a save $3 on any one Thermacare product, and that excludes the Heat Wrap 1 count, so your final cost would be just $3. All right, everyone, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you would. I'd love to have you subscribe if you're new. Just remember, now that we can with that Dollar General app, make sure you're really scanning everything you're going to buy, because you don't want to get up to the register and not have a coupon work. Also, make sure you're scanning your receipts on Fetch. It's a great way to turn your receipts into money. And I use my Fetch rewards for things like Christmas shopping. It's like money in the bank just sitting there. If anyone has any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer you as soon as I can. Also, feel free to email me with any questions. My email is in my About section on my page. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you later this week with some 5 off of 25 breakdowns.